I'm Kevin Locken with Mitchell Acoustical, and today I'm going to show you guys 2 ways to cut a sprinkler head into a ceiling tile. Prior to cutting the tile, there's a couple of points that I need to make. We have to choose our north, south, east, west. I could say right, left, it doesn't matter. Up, down, doesn't matter. That means nothing to you guys. So I'm going to use northeast, southwest, so you guys can have a better understanding of the points that I'm actually going to be using and how I'm pulling those. Now, we're not going to replace this exact ceiling head. The ceiling's been done for quite a while, but I am going to show you how. So here in this scenario, this is our north, and we need to come to our center point. Okay, that's one measurement that we need to take. The second one is just taking our west measurement and then coming center again. I'll go ahead, I'll take the center of that. We'll go 11 3/4, and then from here, we will go 12 1/8. So I'll use those as my 2 center points to show you guys the 2 ways to go ahead and cut these. So when we talked about our north and west points, a lot of times what people will do when they're just beginning is pick this tile up and bring it to that actual point of how the tile is going to sit. So we're going to use this. This is going to be our north, and this is going to be our west. So we'll come 11 3/4, and I'll go ahead and I'll mark it there. Now it's just a very slight mark. I can kind of have an idea where 12 inches is actually going to be, or 12 1/8. And then I'll mark it one more time, and then I'll find my center. So I see my mark here. I'll just put a little center mark there. So these discussion plates, these are usually about 1 7/8 to 2 inches. This one just happens to be 1 7/8, but that doesn't really matter on the hole saw that I'm going to use. So this is a 1 1/8 hole saw, and it'll just fit over the head on the ceiling. So I'm going to move this for cleanliness over this garbage can, find the center, drop it off, and that's the first hole that I'm going to go ahead and do. Now, sometimes what'll happen on these 2x4 tile is we'll have to go and we'll have to scribe the back. So you have to be pretty careful with this, but we'll take a utility knife and we'll come in here at about a 45-degree angle and just take a little bit off the top on the back side. What this will do is this will give us a little bit of extra angle that we can put up in the ceiling. And so that is our first hole for our sprinkler head. Now, I'm going to show you the next one. We already know what our east and west points are, so I don't have to show you guys how to move that tile again to get it to where you want it to go. But we'll go 11 3/4, 12 1/8, and this one's a little bit messier. I'm going to take this and I'm going to use this as my guide as if I don't have a drill and hole saw. I'll take this, I'll find my center, and then just press until I get a ring. I'll pull that out. I don't want to push through because I'll never make it through there. I'm going to take my keyhole saw and just cut a circle. Flip it over. And again, like I said, I want to scribe out the back so that we have a little bit better of an angle. Those are the 2 ways that I would scribe the video. Those are the 2 ways that I would cut for a sprinkler head. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments, questions below. We'll see you guys on the next one.